Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. In this video, I am going to unbox this latest BOYA by-M1 mic and I am going to give a detailed review about this BOYA by-M1 mic because I have been using this BOYA mic for a couple of days. Watch the video till the end for this detailed review of this new BOYA by-M1 mic guys. So let's get started. Okay guys, you can see this is the BOYA M1 box. You can see on the box we have the Lavalier microphone micro cravat and we have one of the QR code, and you can see superb sound for presentations and video recording. You can see the overview of the BOYA M1 mic on this, and if you see on the side you can see we have written on the BOYA by-M1 mic, and it's for smartphones, cam recorders, DSLRs and also audio recorders including the PC and etc. And on the other side it is again written the same BOYA for Audio Pro series, and on the back side there are a couple of features written on it like clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone, high quality condenser is ideal for video use, low handling noise, includes lapel mic, LR444 battery, foam, windscreen, 1x4 adapter, and some of the specifications have been written. If you want you can read. For now, without any further delay, let's open the box. You can see inside the box first we get an case and even a user manual and even a warranty card, and nothing else in the box. You can see this is a user manual BOYA by-M1 mic, and this is the warranty card, around 1 year warranty we have, and this is the main microphone pouch. Inside this pouch we have all the accessories that we needed for a mic. You can see first we have the microphone in it. You can see this is the BOYA by-M1 mic. This is the main product of this video. The wire of this BOYA M1 is quite a bit long, and this is the headphone jack, and this is the main microphone, and the foam wind will be inside the cover which I will show in the later part of the video. And you can see this is the main microphone, that is the BOYA by-M1 mic. And on this you can see we have the setting like do you want to use it for the camera mode, or you can even keep it for the smartphone, that is the off mode. And you can see this is the lapel clip we get in the box, which is used to attach to your collars of your t-shirts. And next we have the foam windscreen, which is used to cancel the noise around you. And this is the LR44 battery, and this is the adapter, that is a 1x4 adapter. This is the adapter, you can use it for laptops, PCs and other ones. And you can see these are the products you get inside the box. Yeah, that was the unboxing of the latest BOYA by-M1 mic. So now the audio which you are listening is from my generic mic, which I have unboxed in the first video. If you haven't watched that video, it will be linked in the cards and even in the description below. Go and watch that video. And this is the audio quality of my generic mic. Now let's switch to the camera mic. Yeah guys, now the audio which you are listening is directly from my camera microphone. So you can judge the audio quality of my generic microphone and the audio directly from my camera microphone. Now let's get into the actual topic, that is, let's see the audio quality of the BOYA by-M1 mic. Okay guys, now the audio which I am listening is from my BOYA by-M1 mic. Let's take this generic mic out and let's keep this BOYA by-M1 mic into my collar, and you can see now the audio quality which I am listening is directly from my BOYA by-M1 mic, and you can judge the audio quality and tell me your opinions. How did you like this BOYA by-M1 mic in the comment box below? I'll be glad to know all your answers about this BOYA by-M1 mic. Okay guys, the answer to the question is this BOYA by-M1 is best for the YouTube beginners. My answer is yes. You can buy this BOYA by-M1 mic if you are a beginner to the YouTube because of the two advantages. See guys, this mic is the most popular mic. This mic is used by so many popular YouTubers, and also in this mic we have a feature to switch back to the camera mode, and you can even switch back to the smartphone mode. You can see here, and again if you switch that back, it will go back to the normal off mode, or you can even say it as the smartphone mode. And guys, if you are a vlogger, then also this BOYA by-M1 mic will be helpful to you. Why? Because if you open this BOYA by-M1 mic, let me open this, and you can see we are getting a leather pouch inside it, which is way more better than the normal pouch, and it will be very useful if you are just going outside and if you want to just carry your mic with you. This BOYA by-M1 mic is especially helpful for the people who are the beginners to the YouTube, because this mic will help them a lot. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. Oh, it's not stopping. We keep it here. Is it stopping? let's take this. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be way more interesting. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers!